Welcome to Jamaica 2024, a year that captured the essence of our nation's resilience, culture, and achievements. From technological advancements to cultural celebrations, from moments of triumph to challenges faced, this year's journey reflected the unbreakable spirit of the Jamaican people. Let's revisit the highlights of 2024. Our festivals, filled with music, dance, and color, brought communities together, celebrating our rich heritage and traditions. These events were not just moments of joy, but also a reminder of our shared history and the bonds that unite us. Our athletes shone brightly on the world stage, bringing home medals and making us proud. Their dedication and hard work are a reflection of the determination that runs deep within every Jamaican. We also faced numerous challenges, but each obstacle was met with resilience and an unwavering spirit. In every smile, in every gathering, we saw the strength of our community. Whether it was through acts of kindness, support for one another, or simply sharing moments of happiness, the essence of Jamaica was ever present. From the breathtaking landscapes to the heartwarming stories of our people, this year has been a remarkable chapter in Jamaica's history. Join us as we look back on the moments that defined 2024, celebrating the achievements and the spirit that make Jamaica truly unique. Jamaica saw a significant leap in its digital presence in 2024. This transformation was not just a mere increase in numbers but a profound shift in how Jamaicans interacted with the world and each other. The digital revolution touched every aspect of life, from social interactions to business operations and even governance. With 2.4 million internet users representing 85.1% of the population, the internet became an integral part of daily life. People from all walks of life, from students to professionals, embraced the digital tools at their disposal. The internet was no longer a luxury but a necessity, driving education, commerce, and communication. And with 1.61 million active social media users, our nation embraced the digital age with open arms. Social media platforms became the new town squares where people gathered to share ideas, celebrate achievements, and voice their opinions. Instagram and Facebook were particularly popular, with Instagram capturing 37.06% of the social media market, and Facebook close behind at 36.3%. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok led the way, shaping public discourse and becoming the heartbeat of cultural and social interactions. These platforms were not just for entertainment, they were powerful tools for activism, education, and community building. Influencers and content creators emerged as new leaders, using their platforms to inspire and mobilize their followers. Digital businesses thrived, with cybersecurity and personalized marketing emerging as top priorities. The tech startup scene in Jamaica was vibrant, with entrepreneurs developing innovative solutions to local and global challenges. Cybersecurity teams worked tirelessly to protect sensitive information, while marketers used data analytics to create personalized experiences for consumers. Despite a cyber attack on the office of the Prime Minister, Jamaica's focus on digital resilience grew stronger. The government, in collaboration with private sector partners, implemented robust cybersecurity measures to safeguard the nation's digital infrastructure. This incident highlighted the importance of digital security and spurred further investments in technology and training. Education was another area that saw significant transformation. Schools and universities adopted online learning platforms, making education more accessible to students across the island. Teachers conducted virtual classes and students used tablets and laptops to complete their assignments. This shift to digital learning not only ensured continuity during disruptions, but also prepared students for a future where digital literacy is crucial. Even the agricultural sector benefited from the digital surge. Farmers used digital tools to monitor crop health, analyze market trends, and optimize their supply chains. These technologies helped increase productivity and reduce waste, contributing to a more sustainable and profitable agricultural industry. The healthcare sector also embraced digital transformation. Telemedicine became a vital service, allowing patients to consult with doctors remotely. Digital health records improved the efficiency of medical services, ensuring that patients received timely and accurate care. This digital shift in healthcare not only improved access to medical services but also enhanced the overall quality of care. The cultural scene in Jamaica was not left behind. Artists and musicians leveraged digital platforms to reach a global audience. Digital art and virtual exhibitions became popular, and musicians live-streamed their performances, bringing Jamaican culture to the world. This digital renaissance in the arts provided new opportunities for creative expression and cultural exchange. In everyday life, smart home devices, online shopping, and digital payments became commonplace. Families used smart devices to manage their homes, while e-commerce platforms made shopping more convenient. Digital payments streamlined transactions, making it easier for people to conduct business and manage their finances. The entrepreneurial spirit in Jamaica was invigorated by the digital surge. Innovation hubs and collaborative workspaces sprang up, fostering a culture of creativity and collaboration. Entrepreneurs discussed business strategies and developed cutting-edge technologies, positioning Jamaica as a leader in the digital economy. The government played a crucial role in this digital transformation. By hosting tech summits and forging international partnerships, they facilitated the exchange of knowledge and resources. Digital agreements were signed, paving the way for future collaborations and advancements in technology. To ensure that no one was left behind, digital literacy programs were implemented across the island. Community workshops and tech training sessions equipped citizens with the skills needed to navigate the digital world. These initiatives empowered individuals and communities, fostering a more inclusive and connected society. As Jamaica continues to build its digital future, the focus remains on creating a resilient, inclusive, and innovative society. Investments in digital infrastructure, public Wi-Fi, and tech-enabled public services are paving the way for a brighter, more connected future. The digital surge has not only transformed Jamaica, but has also set the stage for continued growth and development in the years to come. The future holds even more promise as Jamaica explores new frontiers in technology. Innovators are pushing the boundaries with digital art installations and virtual reality experiences, creating immersive environments that captivate and inspire. These advancements are not just about technology but about enhancing the human experience and fostering creativity. The younger generation is at the forefront of this digital wave. Students are learning to code, participating in robotics workshops, and competing in tech competitions. These activities are not only fun, but also equip them with the skills needed for future careers in technology. The emphasis on STEM education is preparing a new generation of innovators and problem solvers. International collaborations continue to play a vital role in Jamaica's digital journey. Tech summits and partnerships with global tech giants are facilitating the exchange of knowledge and resources. These collaborations are essential for keeping pace with global advancements and ensuring that Jamaica remains competitive in the digital economy. Digital literacy remains a cornerstone of Jamaica's digital strategy. Community tech workshops and digital literacy programs are empowering citizens with the skills needed to thrive in a digital world. These initiatives are fostering a more inclusive society where everyone has the opportunity to benefit from technological advancements. As Jamaica continues to build its digital future, the focus remains on creating a resilient, inclusive, and innovative society. Investments in digital infrastructure, public Wi-Fi, and tech-enabled public services are paving the way for a brighter, more connected future. The digital surge has not only transformed Jamaica, but has also set the stage for continued growth and development in the years to come.
2024 brought intense political discourse. The political landscape in Jamaica was marked by fervent debates and passionate rallies, reflecting the nation's deep engagement with its governance and future direction. Citizens from all walks of life participated in discussions, voicing their concerns and aspirations for the country's progress. Prime Minister Andrew Holness faced scrutiny over alleged building law breaches, which became a focal point of national attention. The allegations raised questions about the integrity of leadership and adherence to legal standards. Holness, addressing the media, emphasized his commitment to transparency and accountability, aiming to restore public trust amidst the controversy. The scrutiny of the Prime Minister sparked debates about transparency and governance. In Parliament, heated discussions ensued as officials and politicians deliberated on the implications of the allegations. The debates highlighted the need for robust systems to ensure that leaders are held accountable and that governance remains transparent and fair. Meanwhile, the People's National Party fostered dialogue with Maroon leaders, recognizing the importance of inclusive governance. These discussions aimed to address historical grievances and build a more cooperative relationship. The meetings were seen as a significant step towards acknowledging the contributions and rights of the Maroon communities. Paving the way for strengthened relations, the dialogue between the People's National Party and the Maroon leaders was a testament to the power of communication and mutual respect. The cooperative political discussions underscore the potential for unity and progress when diverse groups come together to address common goals and challenges. This period in Jamaica's political and economic landscape was marked by both challenges and opportunities, reflecting the dynamic nature of the nation's journey towards a more inclusive and transparent governance. Economically, Jamaica experienced slowed growth, raising concerns as elections approached. Business leaders emphasized fiscal responsibility, cautioning against excessive pre-election spending promises. Jamaica's economy showed signs of slowing, prompting business executive Keith Duncan to warn against excessive pre-election promises. The Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, emphasized the need for fiscal prudence in the face of upcoming general elections. To gain a deeper understanding of Jamaica's economic outlook, we turn to experts in the field. Economists and business leaders shared their perspectives on what 2025 might hold for the nation. The economic landscape of Jamaica in 2025 will largely depend on the policies implemented today. We need to focus on sustainable growth, reducing debt, and increasing productivity. It's crucial for the government to maintain fiscal discipline. Excessive spending, especially in the lead-up to elections, can lead to long-term economic instability. Investment in infrastructure and education will be key. By improving these areas, we can create a more skilled workforce and attract foreign investment. The private sector is ready to collaborate with the government to drive innovation and growth. But we need clear, consistent policies that support business development. These insights highlight the importance of strategic planning and collaboration between the government and the private sector. As Jamaica looks towards 2025, the path to economic stability and growth will require careful navigation and a unified approach. While the economic and health sectors remain critical, another area that has seen remarkable progress is technology. Jamaica's push towards digital transformation has paved the way for innovative solutions that are reshaping various industries. The digital economy is the future. By embracing technology, we can create more opportunities for our youth and drive economic growth. Our investment in digital infrastructure, such as expanding broadband access and supporting tech startups, is aimed at making Jamaica a hub for technological innovation in the Caribbean. From e-commerce platforms to digital payment systems, these advancements are making it easier for businesses to operate and for consumers to engage in the marketplace. The support for digital tools has been a game changer for us. We've been able to reach more customers and streamline our operations. These technological advancements are not only enhancing the business landscape, but also improving everyday life for Jamaicans. As the nation continues to innovate, the potential for growth and development is limitless. Health and sustainability took center stage this year. The Jamaican government has been proactive in addressing the pressing health needs of its citizens, recognizing that a healthy population is the backbone of a thriving nation. The government announced a $10 billion Jamaican dollar investment to transform the health sector in St. Catherine, a move that underscores their commitment to improving healthcare access and quality for all Jamaicans. This significant investment is aimed at modernizing healthcare infrastructure, ensuring that facilities are equipped with the latest technology and resources to provide top-notch medical care, including upgrades to Spanish Town Hospital. These upgrades are not just about expanding the physical space, but also about enhancing the services offered, ensuring that patients receive comprehensive and efficient care. The Spanish Town Hospital, being one of the major healthcare providers in the region, will see improvements in its emergency services, surgical units, and patient wards, and the establishment of new facilities. These new facilities will cater to the growing population and the increasing demand for specialized medical services. The focus will be on creating a network of healthcare centers that are easily accessible to people from all walks of life, ensuring that no one is left behind. This transformation is expected to not only improve health outcomes, but also boost the overall well-being and productivity of the Jamaican population. On the environmental front, Jamaica ranked first in the Caribbean for plastic bottle recycling. This remarkable achievement is a testament to the collective efforts of the government, local communities, and various organizations dedicated to environmental conservation. Over the past few years, Jamaica has implemented a series of robust recycling programs aimed at reducing plastic waste and promoting sustainable practices. These initiatives have not only helped in managing waste more effectively, but have also raised awareness about the importance of recycling among the citizens. Community initiatives and educational programs played a vital role in achieving this milestone. Schools across the island have incorporated recycling into their curriculum, teaching students the significance of environmental stewardship from a young age. Local businesses have also joined the cause, setting up recycling stations and encouraging customers to participate in recycling efforts. Additionally, numerous community cleanup drives have been organized, bringing people together to collect and recycle plastic waste. These collective actions have fostered a culture of environmental responsibility and have significantly contributed to Jamaica's success in plastic bottle recycling, reflecting the country's commitment to preserving its natural beauty. Jamaica's lush landscapes and pristine beaches are not only a source of national pride, but also a major attraction for tourists. By prioritizing environmental conservation, Jamaica is ensuring that its natural resources are protected for future generations. The country's efforts in plastic bottle recycling are just one example of its broader commitment to sustainability. As Jamaica continues to lead by example, it inspires other nations in the Caribbean and beyond to adopt similar practices and work towards a greener, cleaner planet. In July, Hurricane Beryl tested our resilience. Floodwaters surged through Kingston, homes were damaged, and power outages disrupted daily life. Streets turned into rivers, and neighborhoods were left in disarray. Yet, amidst the chaos, Jamaicans demonstrated their unwavering strength. Communities came together, neighbors helped neighbors, and volunteers worked tirelessly to provide aid. The spirit of unity was palpable as people shared resources, offered shelter, and supported each other. Despite the devastation, the collective effort to rebuild was inspiring. Schools and businesses reopened, and life slowly returned to normal. This event highlighted not just the destructive power of natural disasters, but also the incredible resilience and solidarity of the Jamaican people. Their determination to overcome adversity and rebuild stronger than before was truly remarkable. 2024 was marred by rising concerns over crime. The streets of Jamaica saw an unsettling rise in criminal activities, leaving communities in fear and demanding action. From petty thefts to violent crimes, the surge was palpable, affecting the daily lives of ordinary citizens. Public meetings were held, where concerned residents voiced their worries and sought solutions from local authorities. The police force, stretched thin, struggled to maintain order and ensure safety, leading to a call for more resources and better strategies to combat the growing menace. The tragic death of TikTok influencer Xavier Foga highlighted the dangers faced by social media personalities. Xavier, known for his vibrant and engaging content, became a symbol of the risks associated with online fame. His untimely demise sparked a wave of grief and reflection across social media platforms. Influencers and followers alike mourned his loss, sharing heartfelt tributes and calling for greater awareness of the pressures and threats that come with digital stardom. The incident also prompted discussions on mental health support and security measures for those in the public eye. Student violence became a pressing issue, with multiple incidents near school grounds sparking national debates on safety, education reform, and youth mentorship. Schools, once considered safe havens, turned into battlegrounds, with students engaging in physical altercations and bullying. Parents and educators were alarmed, pushing for immediate interventions. Community meetings were organized to address the root causes of this violence, emphasizing the need for comprehensive education reform. Proposals included enhanced security measures, anti-bullying programs, and mentorship initiatives to guide the youth towards positive behavior and conflict resolution. The justice system also faced scrutiny as the release of Vybz Kartel reignited discussions about celebrity influence and legal fairness. Vybz Kartel, a prominent figure in the music industry, had a polarizing effect on the public. His release from prison was met with mixed reactions, with some celebrating his freedom, while others questioned the integrity of the legal process. Public demonstrations erupted, demanding transparency and accountability within the justice system. The case underscored the broader issues of legal fairness and the impact of celebrity status on judicial outcomes, prompting calls for reforms to ensure equal treatment under the law. In July, Hurricane Beryl unleashed its fury on Jamaica, bringing with it torrential rain and winds that caused widespread flooding and destruction. Entire neighborhoods in Kingston were submerged, displacing families and leaving countless homes severely damaged. Prolonged power outages added to the challenges, testing the limits of our emergency services and community resilience. Despite the devastation, Jamaicans showcased their indomitable spirit. Volunteers from all walks of life mobilized to provide food, clothing, and shelter to those in need. Government agencies and NGOs collaborated to set up relief camps, ensuring that no one was left behind. The rebuilding phase was marked by innovation and unity. From fundraising drives to rebuilding homes using sustainable materials, communities came together to create a foundation of hope for the future. When the floods came, it was devastating. But seeing everyone come together to help each other out, it was truly heartwarming. We organized relief programs and volunteers from all over came to assist. It showed the strength and unity of our people. Jamaica's spirit of resilience and community was on full display, proving once again that no matter the challenge, we rise together. The year 2024 was marred by rising concerns over crime. The streets of Jamaica, once vibrant and full of life, were now often scenes of distress and fear. News reports frequently highlighted the increasing crime rates, painting a grim picture of the nation's safety. Police presence became a common sight, with officers patrolling neighborhoods in an effort to curb the violence. Crime scene tapes cordoned off areas that had witnessed tragic events, serving as stark reminders of the ongoing struggle to maintain peace and order. The tragic death of TikTok influencer Xavier Foga, known as Naya Gang, highlighted the dangers faced by social media personalities. Naya, known for his vibrant personality and engaging content, had amassed a significant following. His untimely death sent shockwaves through the community, sparking conversations about the vulnerabilities of those in the public eye. Candlelight vigils and memorials were held in his honor, with fans and fellow influencers paying their respects. His social media profiles became digital memorials, flooded with messages of grief and support. Student violence became a pressing issue, with multiple incidents near school grounds sparking national debates on safety, education reform, and youth mentorship. Schools, once considered safe havens for learning and growth, were now battlegrounds for conflicts and altercations. Students took to the streets, protesting for better security measures and more supportive educational environments. The sight of security personnel at school entrances became a common occurrence, a testament to the growing concerns over student safety. The justice system also faced scrutiny, as the release of Vybz Kartel reignited discussions about celebrity influence and legal fairness. The courtroom scenes were filled with tension, as the high-profile trial captured the nation's attention. Public reactions were mixed, with some celebrating the release while others questioned the integrity of the legal process. Protests demanding legal reform erupted, with citizens calling for a more transparent and accountable justice system. As the nation grappled with these challenges, communities began to seek solutions. The collective spirit of the Jamaican people shone through as they rallied together to address the issues at hand. Grassroots movements and community organizations played a pivotal role in driving change, advocating for stronger protections and support systems. Grassroots movements emerged, advocating for stronger protections for social media influencers and more comprehensive support systems for students. Community meetings were held to discuss the importance of social media safety, with activists organizing campaigns to raise awareness. Public forums provided a platform for citizens to voice their concerns and propose solutions, fostering a sense of unity and collaboration. TikTok's influence in Jamaica grew significantly, with 1.61 million users aged 18 and above by early 2024, reaching 74.7% of all adults in the country. This platform became a major source of viral content and social discourse throughout the year. In sports, Kingston College claimed their 11th Issa Olivier Shield title in a thrilling penalty shootout. The atmosphere was electric as the teams battled it out on the field, with fans on the edge of their seats. The tension was palpable, and every kick of the ball was met with gasps and cheers from the crowd. The players showcased incredible skill and determination, making it a match to remember. The victory was not just a testament to their hard work and dedication, but also a moment of immense pride for the school and its supporters. The celebrations that followed were a sight to behold, with students, teachers, and alumni coming together to revel in the triumph. The win added another glorious chapter to Kingston College's storied history in high school football, cementing their legacy as one of the top teams in the country. The Reggae Marathon attracted global runners, blending athleticism with reggae vibes. This unique event, held annually in Negril, Jamaica, has become a favorite for marathon enthusiasts from around the world. Participants not only get to test their endurance, but also experience the vibrant culture and music of Jamaica. The race route, which runs along the scenic coastline, offers breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea, making it one of the most picturesque marathons in the world. Runners are greeted with the sounds of reggae music at every mile, creating an uplifting and energetic atmosphere. The event also promotes health and wellness, encouraging people of all ages to take part, whether as serious competitors or casual participants. The Reggae Marathon is more than just a race. It's a celebration of life, music, and the spirit of togetherness. The camaraderie among the runners and the support from the local community make it a truly special experience. Caymanas Park hosted the Mute Mile, setting new standards as the richest horse race in the English-speaking Caribbean. This prestigious event attracted top horses, jockeys, and trainers from across the region, all vying for the coveted title and the substantial prize money. The excitement was palpable as spectators gathered to witness the thrilling races, with each one more exhilarating than the last. The Mounted Mile has quickly become a highlight of the Caribbean horse racing calendar, drawing attention from horse racing enthusiasts and media alike. The event not only showcases the best in horse racing talent, but also highlights the rich cultural heritage of the Caribbean. The vibrant atmosphere, the roar of the crowd, and the thundering hooves of the horses create an unforgettable experience for all who attend. The success of the Mounted Mile is a testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved, from the organizers to the participants. Meanwhile, our cricket team achieved milestones, bringing pride to the nation. The team's recent victories have been a source of immense joy and celebration for cricket fans across the country. Each match has been a display of skill, strategy, and teamwork, with players giving their all on the field. The dedication and perseverance of the team have paid off, resulting in a series of impressive wins. These achievements have not only elevated the status of Jamaican cricket on the international stage, but have also inspired a new generation of young cricketers. The support from fans, both at home and in the stadiums, has been overwhelming, with cheers and applause echoing through the stands. The cricket team's success is a reflection of the hard work and passion that goes into the sport, and it serves as a reminder of the unifying power of cricket in bringing people together. The future looks bright for Jamaican cricket, with many more triumphs on the horizon. As we reflect on 2024, we see a year filled with both challenges and triumphs. It was a year where we embraced change and innovation, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Our youth, the torchbearers of tomorrow, have shown remarkable resilience and creativity, participating in tech workshops, excelling in classrooms equipped with the latest technology, and thriving in coding boot camps. These young minds are not just learning, they are shaping the future of our nation. Jamaica stands poised for a brighter future. With our cultural richness, technological growth, and enduring spirit, we are ready to embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. Our cultural festivals, vibrant and full of life, showcase the heart and soul of our people. Traditional Jamaican dance performances and community gatherings remind us of our roots and the strength we draw from our heritage. These events are not just celebrations, they are a testament to our unity and resilience. We're ready to face 2025 with determination and pride. Our athletes, training with unwavering dedication, symbolize our collective drive for excellence. The celebrations in the streets of Jamaica, filled with joy and hope, reflect our optimism for the future. Community events bring us together, reinforcing the bonds that make us stronger. As we look ahead, we carry with us the lessons of the past year and the promise of a brighter tomorrow. Together, we will continue to build a Jamaica that is prosperous, inclusive, and resilient. As we reflect on 2024, Jamaica stands poised for a brighter future. Our nation's cultural richness, technological growth, and enduring spirit form the cornerstone of our progress. In classrooms and tech hubs across the island, young minds are being nurtured to become the innovators of tomorrow. These youth are not just learning, They are shaping the future of our nation, one breakthrough at a time. Our cultural events continue to be a vibrant tapestry of our heritage, bringing people together and fostering a sense of unity. From traditional festivals to contemporary art showcases, the heartbeat of Jamaica's culture remains strong and ever-evolving. Community gatherings remind us of our shared values and collective strength. Whether it's through volunteer initiatives, local markets, or neighborhood celebrations, the spirit of togetherness is alive and well. As we look ahead to 2025, we do so with determination and pride. With every step forward, we honor our past, embrace our present, and build a future that reflects the limitless potential within each of us. Together, we will continue to strive for excellence and create a legacy of greatness for generations to come. The journey is just beginning, and the best is yet to come. In a landmark legal decision, the Court of Appeals overturned Vybz Kartel's murder conviction in 2024, citing procedural errors and new evidence. Kartel, one of Jamaica's most influential dancehall artists, had been incarcerated since 2011, a case that polarized public opinion both locally and internationally. The decision sparked widespread reactions across the island. Supporters celebrated the artist's release, viewing it as a victory for justice, while critics raised questions about the influence of fame on the legal system. Kartel's release reignited debates about crime, punishment, and celebrity culture in Jamaica. His release also had far-reaching effects on Jamaican society. On one hand, it reignited interest in dancehall music, with Kartel's new projects inspiring both established and emerging artists. Fans flocked to concerts and events celebrating his return, boosting the entertainment sector and providing a renewed sense of pride for supporters of the genre. On the other hand, concerns were raised about the broader implications for law enforcement and the justice system. Critics argued that the case highlighted disparities in access to legal resources and the perception of privilege for public figures. Additionally, his release reignited discussions about crime and violence in Jamaica. While some viewed it as a testament to the resilience of the legal process, others worried about its impact on crime deterrence. Community leaders emphasized the importance of addressing systemic issues and strengthening public trust in judicial outcomes. 2024 wasn't without its challenges. Viral videos of student violence shocked the nation, sparking widespread debate about youth issues and educational reform. These moments served as a stark reminder of the work that still lies ahead. However, amidst the challenges, Jamaica's influence continued to resonate globally. The island's unique culture and personalities featured prominently in international viral moments, from music to fashion. Whether it was a new dance craze or a groundbreaking fashion trend, Jamaica's creative spirit shone brightly. As we enter 2025, Jamaica looks forward to more exciting events, including the Beres Hammond and Buju Banton Intimate Concert in January and the highly anticipated Vybz Kartel Freedom Street Concert. These events promise to bring joy, unity, and a sense of community to all who attend. 2024 was a year that showcased Jamaica's resilience, creativity, and unbreakable spirit. From the pulsating rhythms of its music festivals to the flavors of its culinary events, Jamaica proved once again why it remains a cultural powerhouse on the world stage. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the year 2024, filled with unforgettable moments and experiences. Here's to another year of growth, resilience, and celebration. May we continue to thrive and cherish every moment together. One love, Jamaica. Let's keep the spirit alive and strong.
Thanks for tuning in to Quick Bites from Jamaica Macrazy. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a bite-sized update. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what you'd like to hear next. Catch you in the next one.